Hi, greetings everyone. As you all know, the issues and challenges are common in any construction projects. But of course, our professionals are well experienced in handling these situations to complete the project. The fundamental reason behind these challenges is something similar faced by all other industries. We are engaged to do more non-valuable activities. So in construction projects waiting for information or a work front, over processing, reworking completed tasks due to several factors are very common. To elaborate, when workers are available, we may not have work front ready. When work front is available, we may not have sufficient resources. This leads to overburdening our team. And this uncertainty undermines the predictability of work and reliability of commitments, leaving our professionals constantly on edge and engaged in a firefighting, resulting what? Significant stress and strained relationship. So incorporating lean principles into your project management framework can be a game changer for the construction industry. Lean principles, originated from Toyota production systems, have revolutionized the automobile and manufacturing industries, and similar methodology like Agile, which have a lean, are making an impact in IT industry. The latest certification from Project Management Institute, the PMI Construction Professional, includes several tools and best practices derived from lean construction concepts. So this article, The Lean Project Management, a proactive approach to revolutionize construction project delivery, aims to explain the necessity of developing both proactive and retrospective approaches to improve construction project delivery while navigating various obstacles. Please feel free to reach out to me and share your feedback on this article. Thank you very much and happy reading.